Welcome back. Problem 2, again Newton's method. They want you to find the approximate value of cube root of 45. They are saying let x1 be the x1 equals 3 be the initial approximation. Then find x2 and x3. Okay, what does this mean? Initial approximation. 3 is an initial approximation of cube root of 45? Really? What does that mean? 3 to the power 3 should be 45 or close to 45. If you multiply 3 to itself 3 times, you actually get 27. 27 is hardly a good approximation. We want a better approximation. Okay? What would be the better approximation? That number x whose power 3 is 45, right? To find cube root of 45, you need to find that number x whose power 3 is 45. Well, we have Newton's method. Newton's method works if you have right hand side equals 0. So move the 45 to the other side. You get x cubed minus 45 is 0. That is my function f. If that is my function f, my derivative is 3x squared and that gives me nothing, no derivative. My initial approximation is 3. So my new value I will get by plugging in old value in this expression on the right hand side. So that is x1 minus f of x1 over f prime x1. Okay, I know fx, I have f prime. I need to plug in 3 in here and in here. All right. So here is a hand work, but it gets tiresome, but we have web work. So why don't we play with that, right? So I need to write 3 in the first place minus, I have a numerator and a denominator. Always write this down within parentheses, so now you are safe. Whatever you do, you will do inside these parentheses, okay? Denominator is 3 times x squared, so 3 times my old x is 3 power 2. That's the denominator, okay? What about the numerator? Numerator is x to the power 3 minus 45. 3 to the power 3 minus 45. Submit it. That gives me one approximation and it tells me it's correct. Now, for the next approximation, I will take this expression, okay? And wherever x appears, x was 3, look, don't get confused with the power. X appears here and here. So wherever x appears, I will plug in the number we just got. Okay? So this x would now be this number. Next. This base x will now be this number. And the denominator 3x squared, that x will be this number. Okay, that's all I've done. I've cut and pasted. My old x is now the answer I got for x2. That will fetch me x3. Submit, and we are done. All right, until next problem.